the sound. This is our left hand and right hand. First of all, we have to use two hands and five fingers. And we have to stick our both hands and five fingers. And we have to create vacuum by this. And air will come pass through it. And we have to create vacuum. Then we have to press it. This.